How to make your iPhone announce notifications from specific apps. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, navigate to Siri and tap on it. Further, tap on the Announce Notifications option you see there and make sure the Announce Notifications toggle button is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the Announce Notification toggle button. Now, under that setting itself, you will see a list of apps. Scroll through and find the app you want to enable announce notification for, and further, go ahead and toggle on the announce notification toggle button for that particular app. You can repeat the same process for other apps too, from where you want to announce notifications. And this is how you can make your iPhone announce notifications from specific apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.